How to succeed in business: 10 secret steps. There's no guaranteed recipe for success in every business, but there are definitely strong foundations that most thriving businesses share. Here are some key areas to focus on. Solid planning. This starts with a well-researched business plan that outlines your goals, target market, competitive landscape, and financial projections. Be sure to factor in realistic timelines and potential risks. Organization is key. You'll need strong organizational skills to keep your business running smoothly. This includes things like staying on top of finances, managing inventory, and scheduling effectively. Know your numbers. Keeping detailed financial records is essential. This will allow you to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your business. Customer focus. Understanding your target market and what they need is crucial. Strive to provide excellent customer service and build trust with your clientele. Competitive edge. Analyze your competitors and identify what makes your business unique. This could be a superior product, exceptional service, or a particular niche you cater to. Embrace change. The business world is constantly evolving. Be prepared to adapt your strategies and embrace new technologies to stay ahead of the curve. The right people. Surround yourself with talented and passionate people who share your vision. Building a strong team is essential for long-term success. Calculated risks. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks, but make sure you've carefully considered the potential consequences. Learn and adapt. Be open to feedback and willing to learn from your mistakes. There will be bumps along the road, but successful businesses are those that can adapt and overcome challenges. Find balance. Running a business can be all-consuming, but it's important to find a healthy work-life balance to avoid burnout. By focusing on these areas, you'll be well on your way to building a strong foundation for your business. Remember, success takes time and effort, so be persistent and stay focused on your goals.